It's the Morning Market Minute, UPBOptionMillionaires.com on this Monday, May 18, 2015. Get your crash helmets on, folks. The market is starting the week down 0.2%. My goodness, look at that candle. Oh, in all reality here, in the context of this move to the upside, look at support. You can draw a trend line across here. Look at resistance. You can draw another one here. We're in the confines. The range is narrowing. And I'm talking about a nice spike either direction heading into the summer. And I think it's going to be to the upside. Look at the U.S. dollar index finally finding support after hitting new, 12-plus year highs. Something I talked about before the start of the year, that we would get into triple digits. We have. I said we'd find support around here. We have. And let's look at the bond market. So we have the U.S. dollar soaring this year, pulling back. The bond market soared up to record highs here for TLT, the 20-year bond treasury ETF. Pulled back, bounced again over 130, recently pulled back to find long-term trend line support, broke through it, has since broken above it. It's been a bit of a battle here the last couple trading sessions. Has a bottom been reached? I don't know, bonds are selling off here pre-market. If you look at the 30-year treasury bond futures, pulling back almost 0.75%. You can see the move down from highs earlier this year, finding support, bouncing here, but I think we're going to pull back down. And if you look at TLT, I'll pull up that. You see the move up to record highs earlier this year, could not break through this trend line. Came through now through support on multiple levels. It looks terribly bearish as we come back up to it. I think we could see a move down to 100, which is not something a lot of people are calling for. Many think that we have hit the lows here for the bond market as far as TLT is concerned, and that interest rates are going to still head lower. I look at this chart, to me, it looks terribly bearish. We've broken through long-term trend line supports, could not break through resistance, and look to get down to the 100 level on TLT over the next, 3 to 6 months. A couple other charts to look at. Facebook broke out last week. JB at Option Millionaires was all over the call contracts. They went up over 1,000%. You can see it's back over support. Each of the times it's broken through support here, Facebook, over the last couple of years, has seen a pretty significant rally. So we're looking for a move possibly up to new all-time record highs for Facebook. On the flip side, Twitter also looking for a snapback up over the 40 level. I think that's got a good chance of happening this week. We have earnings reports from the likes of Home Depot, which is back over the earnings gap up that it had at the start of the year. We're going to look for a move up to 120 and record highs post-earnings. UPB, I'll see you in the chat room at OptionMillionaires.com. Everyone have a great trading session and a wonderful week. Goodbye.